Hi there, I'm Penny. You may have seen me plastered all over this bus, and you may be wondering, how on earth does this bus run on cow farts? Well, it's your lucky day, because you're about to find out how we take animal poop and turn it into clean fuel. But first, let's go back to the very beginning. Way back to before you humans were even around. Millions of years ago, we had dinosaurs living on the Earth. They roamed the planet alongside all sorts of plants, bugs, fish, and other animals. When the dinosaurs and all of the other critters living with them died, their bodies were buried in the earth and formed fossils. These fossils broke down to create what we now know as oil. Oil has been used for over 100 years to heat our houses, fill our cars with gas, and fly around the world on airplanes. Oil is a great resource, but the big problem with oil is that it creates pollution when used. As we've gotten smarter over the years, we've learned that we have lots of other options to power our vehicles and heat our houses that are better for the planet and don't require us to use non-renewable resources like oil. This is where me and my friends come in. When we extract oil from the ground, we also get something called methane, a natural gas. This is a byproduct of all these old living creatures. But we don't need to extract oil to get methane. Methane is actually produced by living things today, too. It's just in the form of, wait for it, poop. This means places like dairy farms, pig farms, and chicken farms all have a renewable resource called renewable natural gas, or RNG, that just happens to come in the form of animal poop.
Really?
Have you ever driven by a cow farm on a hot day?
Whoa! Hey, you!
Stinky.
Hey!
On many farms, the manure is stored in water and gas-tight containers that promote the production, capture, and beneficial reuse of methane gas. And that gas can be used to power things like this school bus. However, when methane escapes into the air, it actually isn't great for the environment either. But thanks to science, we have ways to capture all this methane, clean it up a bit so it doesn't pollute our air, and then put it back into the vehicles that we drive. Vehicles like this school bus. This school bus would normally run on diesel, which is expensive, made from oil, and not that great for the environment. But this bus has a special system that includes the DEMI diesel displacer technology and NeuFuel tank, which uses renewable natural gas as fuel, making it a much cleaner way to get to and from school. And the cool thing is, any vehicle that uses diesel can do this. Using DEMI and NeuFuel to power our cars, trucks, vans, and buses extends the life of our current non-renewable resource, oil. It makes vehicles that are on the road run cleaner and uses a renewable natural resource rather than a non-renewable resource, and saves money. Besides the environmental benefits, how cool would it be to tell your friends and family that you get to ride to school on a bus powered by cow farts?
That's good stuff.
You would be helping the environment, and you would get to make your friends laugh. A win-win. To learn more about how you can get your school bus to run on cow farts, visit www.cowfartbus.com.